What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be in our own LS400. We're going to be doing little additions today. We're actually prepping it for low and clean at the end of the month. So last month we were prepping the Z. This month we're prepping the Lexus along with my other partners LS400. We have some freshly painted parts that we're going to install. All right, so as you guys know, my partner and I have an LS430, baby, and my partner has the LS400. We actually got his mirrors. We actually got the car wrapped. We couldn't wrap the mirrors, so we got it sent out to paint. And from one of our guys in the group as well. Basically, my car sits, so I take off the wheels. I have the wheels back there. I have retrofitted headlights. My grille was already paint matched to the car. This car after the show is gonna get a full respray because you know it's old Lexus paint. It's held up pretty good, but you know we're gonna change that out. We have the wheels over there. I do have Valenti red taillights, so it lights up all red, full LEDs, but the group was telling me mostly all of us have clear taillights. So I ended up getting a set of taillights, and I had them, you know, the edges resprayed in black to cover the, you know, the openings, and then cleared so it could last longer. And bro, look how clean these look. I believe they're Valentis as well. I don't think so, but you know, maybe. My boy got his grill to match like mine, so with a floating Lexus logo, and then his mirrors painted. And then we have another one of our the head honcho, the boss of the group, his mirrors painted, because we're gonna wrap his car in black as well. So it's gonna be all black cars. That's the look we're going for. So so yeah, so now we're just in that mood right now to get this car rolling. I have to get this front lip painted because I hit something on the road. It has a full wad kit. If you guys haven't seen the channel, this just got resprayed. These new Celsius mirrors. Yeah, this car's gonna get a lot of love. Once it gets painted, you know, I'm gonna be driving it more. It's gonna be under covers, so it's gonna be taken care of a lot more than it is now. Just sitting, it's getting paint faded, so it's bad. I mean, I do have the work van, and then now when that's under the knife, I'm gonna be daily driving the Z for now. We have more stuff coming for that, but enough about that. Let's focus on this. Let me show you how to swap out these tail lights and put on the brand new clears. Sorry for the mess, but you'll start off with a 10mm. It has 3 bolts. I only have 2, but they're there. There's literally the mounts for the tail lights, which is one right here, one right here, and one right there. You can literally just push it out and just take off. Literally take it off, take off wiring, and this is out. Look at that, very easy. So after you take it out, it's gonna be one plug and the whole tail light comes off. I believe the other one, you just plug that in. We'll check it out now. The top one as well, the same thing. It has this plug, you unplug it. There's a little cover right here. It's gonna be this little cover. Take it off. There's a 10mm right there, and right here. It's gonna be under this cover. It's gonna have like a little cover here. I'm not sure what mine's is. It probably fell off because of the base, but it's a cover that goes there. As soon as you do that, you can literally just pull it off. It's gonna be a little stuck there because of the. Use both hands. And literally comes off very easy. It does have a seal gasket. I'll make sure the new one has it. If not, take it off this one, put in that one. Always try to use a gasket so wire doesn't go in. And then we grab, oh, I'm excited for this. Oh yeah, it looks like it needs resistors, but put it in. I'm gonna put it in and connect it, tighten the bolts up. In this case, I might need resistors. I see there's an extra wiring there, but I'll double check now and see if I actually do need it. Yeah, I don't know how I like it, but they're on. Looks decent. I don't like, I mean, obviously the edges have to be cut out and whatnot, but the edges, I might just buy the chrome piece that goes around it. But it looks decent. Not bad. Let's do the outside and we'll finish this up. Alright, here they are on. Yeah, they look pretty good. Totally different. So used to the red that it looks so different. I'm for sure gonna change out the LED bulb right there. Turn signal, make it look cooler, because it looks like an old bulb. So we gotta put those wheels on, headlights, and it should be good. They look really good. Yeah. I want to take it to the gas station and take some shots. Alright, this is how they look turned on. That's nice. Alright, while I'm pumping gas, look how it tells look. Okay, they look good. I have to change the wheels. Probably gotta see the vision better. But they look really good. Different for sure. All right guys, once again guys, thank you for the support on all the platforms. If this video helps somebody out, give it a follow, give it a like, subscribe, comment on what you guys see next on this car. We have a lot of stuff coming for this car, so stay tuned. On to the next one.